Here's a neat and simple trick that I use in Davinci Resolve to get my footage a little wider than it actually is. And it's almost like Photoshop's content aware fill, just not as good yet. So the first thing we do is open that in the Fusion page. Then we're just going to add a transform tool. And now you see here, let's say I want to make it this wide. As you can see, this is actually way past where the image itself is, and you can see the canvas behind. So what's really cool is we have this setting called edges. And right now that's set to canvas. That's where you can actually see the canvas. Wrap pretty much puts your images into tiles like this. So this one we're not going to use. And what duplicate pretty much does is that it takes the pixel color from the edges and duplicates that into pretty much just one constant line, as you can see. The other setting is mirror, and what mirror pretty much does is it takes a picture from the edges and mirrors it, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Now this comes really handy when you're either rotating an image or zooming in and out and you don't have enough footage on the edge to do that. So this, for example, let's say I want to rotate it up to here. Again, you can see the edges. What I can do is rotate that and then use the mirror, and now I have this dope effect where it's almost as if it's part of the image. So again, I've used this a lot recently when I'm zooming out from a subject. So start from here, and I want to end here. We can try duplicate, but duplicate kind of looks broken to me. So we go for mirror. You can see we're actually being able to zoom further than what I actually shot. So again, it's not as good as Photoshop's content aware fill, but who knows, maybe Davinci might create that in the next version. But for now, this is actually a really neat effect and it's pretty simple.